In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about change event in JavaScript. The change event fires when the values of the input field or a select view or a text area elements change. So let me show you this simple example to understand how the change event works in JavaScript. I have created the simple design using the basic HTML where it's just going to give me the select options where I'm going to select the different cities. When I click that city, is going to be displayed here like you selected particular city name that you have selected. So let me show you the design how it would look like. So here initially going to ask me to select the city, the drop down menu. When I click this one, when I click Tokyo, I want to see this Tokyo displaying here because as I say that is a change event. So when I choose the city from this drop down menu, with the help of that change event, I want to display the city that I have chosen into this particular place. So how can we do that one? That one is simple. We can create a variable. Let me call that one as a select because we are going to select the cities. So where are you going to select the cities from? From here, right? So this is where the cities are. So this one can be identified with the help of the ID name called city. So this is where we are going to select the cities from, right? So here I'm going to use document.getElement by ID method. This is city actually. So this is where we are going to choose the cities from. Then from there it's simple. We are just going to add the add event listener method. So we are going to use the select dot add event listener. It's going to take two parameters. First one is the name of the event. So as I said, we are going to use the change event here, then followed by the function, right? So the function, so here in this function I have to define what will happen if I choose a particular city, right? So in that case what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a variable. Let me say value equals, I'm going to say document dot get element by ID. So here what I'm trying to do, whatever the cities that you have chosen, I want to target that one. That one I want to store them into this particular variable name called value. So how am I going to get the values from that drop down menu? With the help of dot value method, right? Hope things are clear. It's not node value, it's actually a value. So this method would give us the value that we selected from that drop down menu. So what is next? We just have to display. Where do you want to display? Simple. Document dot get element by ID. Where do you want to display? I want to display them in the paragraph you selected, then together with the span. So just grab the ID for the span. So that is why you want to display them, right? So just say value dot inner HTML. So where is the value now? Actually it was stored into this particular variable val, right? So that's it. When you save and refresh, select the city, select any city, Rio, the Rio would display here. When you select Berlin, Berlin would display here. So this is how you can use change event in JavaScript. I hope you have understood how to use the change event. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next tutorial.